Nadu to come forward and present their song. Good evening to all. Hello. Good evening to all. Okay, we are from the state students. Actually, our mother language is Tamil. Our Tamil Nadu's total population is 7 crore above. We have total 38 districts. So let me say something about Tamil Nadu. Actually, there's an interesting matter is Tamil is our mother language. Nadu means country. So we call the Tamil. So this is Tamil country. So I warmly welcome all of you. Welcome to the Tamil country. And also let me ask one question about all of us. How is it Tamil Nadu? Is it good? Really? Okay, huh? So anyway, it's good or bad, but one thing, I'm going to say one thing. God with you and God with us. And also, this time we are going to sing one song. So I request all of us, you can join with us chorus. Is it very easy? And also, when your prayer time, please remember all the Tamil faces. And also, please remember the state of Tamil Nadu. Thank you.